What's going on, YouTube? Me and my little buddy here working on the old Bullnose, ripping this old ripped up vinyl carpet out, or vinyl flooring out. We're gonna put some fresh new sound deadening and some new carpet in. I wanted to go back with the vinyl, but for some reason the vinyl is $100 more than the carpet, so this is a budget build, so we're going with carpet. We're just getting all the remnants cleaned out from the past 40 years or so. Then we're gonna rip this nasty, crusty vinyl out, start putting our sound deadening in. So y'all join us for this little adventure here. You ready?
Yep.
All right, go ahead and start yanking that stuff out of there. Might be some treasures under there.
Yeah.
Nice. I bet it smells better after this too.
Yeah.
We can chunk that in the trash.
Take it to the trash.
Or actually, let's lay it out on the concrete over there. And that way we got to see where some of our holes and stuff are going. Briar's taking the carpet out for us and laying it out so it can relax. We can put it in there.
Do you want instructions?
No, we don't need no instructions. Good news is, don't look like no real major rust, just a little bit of surface rust right there. Everything is still solid. Not bad for 1986. What are you doing? I'm gonna tape it up and send you back for a refund. So there's our new stuff. All right, we'll start stabbing the new carpet in. Looking good. All right, we got the floor all cleaned up, sprayed out, wiped down, and we put some brake cleaner on there. Just make sure we got a nice, good, clean surface to put this sound deadening on. Bought this stuff off Amazon. It was actually pretty cheap. Bought one box, but probably should have bought two. We can always go back and add more, right? But anyways, we're gonna get this stuff down, and then we should be able to put the carpet in. All right, let's get to it. All right, that's one box of Amazon sound deadener.
What is sound deadener?
It helps quiet the truck down from the outside noise. So
What you have in your white truck?
yeah, all the new trucks got it. Old trucks didn't have it. So hopefully this stuff will help quiet it down in there while we're running down the road. Hear the music better, not so much road noise, a little less heat. But whoever on Amazon said one box would do an entire single cab, they lied. That is one box, and you see how much we got done there. So I'm gonna go ahead and still put the carpet in, and then order another box in the future, and then I'll come back and hit all the spots that we're missing. But it was an easy install. Stuff's super easy to install. Anybody can do it.
Does it have sticky stuff on the bottom?
Yep, it's super sticky on the bottom. But all right, we're gonna get the carpet laid in here.
Wow, it's all nice and pretty.
Yeah, not bad.
It's not gonna get hot anymore in here.
Here's the easiest way to make some holes in your carpet for your bolts for your seat and seat belts. Get you a torch, punch. Heat it up real good. Don't set your torch on your carpet or you'll melt it. I'll put the bolts back in here.
Wow.
Put it right there on the head of the bolt. Go around in a little circle. There you go. Just work it around in a circle. That'll make a nice little circle around your bolt. And then that'll keep it from fraying and stuff because it's going to melt the edges. See? Little tech tip. All right, carpet's all in. Got the holes in there for the seat and the bolts. About time to slam this seat back in. Y'all ready? It already looks 10 times better. All right, let me set the camera up and we'll get this big heavy thing in there. Nice job, nice job. I'm gonna keep walking it over. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. Alright. She's in there. Just gotta bolt her down. Well, there's the finished product, guys. Looks a heck of a lot better. Carpet fit real good. Huge improvement. So get out there in your garage, grab your kids or your wife, have a little fun together installing this. It's an easy project. Anybody can do it. And it makes a world of difference. Really makes this truck look new again. Cheap investment to really make your interior look up to date, fresh. Sound deadening should make a big difference on cab noise. Overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Y'all let me know what you think. Let me know if the video helped you, if y'all liked it. Drop a comment if you've done this yourself. Have any tips and tricks that you want to add that I might have missed in this video. And if you ain't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. I got tons of videos on this old truck right here. Got a huge playlist. There's all kinds of videos on it on my channel. Plus we got Harley and Jeep and new trucks, boats, foilers, you name it. We do all kinds of stuff on this channel. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.